Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, coming to you live from its new time slot of 4 p.m. every Sunday, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, as 80% of you are unsubscribed. All right, today we have a Chili Lime Chicken Kabob. First thing we got to do is make the marinade for our chicken. And that involves 3 tablespoons of olive oil, a tablespoon and a half of red wine vinegar, the juice of 1 lime, a teaspoon of chili powder, a teaspoon of paprika, a half a teaspoon of onion powder, a half a teaspoon of garlic powder, cayenne or chipotle or any like a hot pepper to taste. I went about a half a teaspoon because I kind of wanted this a little spicy. And then, of course, salt and pepper. And again, if you want this spicier, just jack up the cayenne or the chipotle or the ancho pepper powder. And then last thing we got to do is grab a little whisk and just whisk it up a little bit. And searching for my tiny whisk. And there we go. Now, to a plastic bag, we're going to add a pound of chicken breasts that we're going to cut up into 1-inch cubes. There you see them. Give our marinade 1 hour, or one more little whisk, open up the bag, and pour all of the marinade in. Don't worry if it looks like a little. I know, you're like, oh my God, it's not covering it. But watch what we're going to do. I'm going to basically roll this bag like a cigar, getting out as much air as possible, then manipulating it to where the marinade coats pretty much all of the chicken. As I said, you'll need about a pound of chicken cut up into 1-inch cubes, and then marinate it for at least an hour or up to overnight. I actually went 48 hours, believe it or not, before I fired up my grill. And then you want to skewer them on metal skewers. Now, some people use the bamboo and soak them and blah, blah, blah. I've never really trusted them. They always seem to catch fire before I'm done grilling. And then you just want to grill these chicken pieces up till they're done, till they're 165 internal. And through the magic of cooking show editing, our kebab chicken is done. So that's Chili Lime Chicken Kabobs. Done.